It's NTAKO. In this video, I'll explain how to create 2D motion graphics animation using Blender similar to After Effects. We are going to make a light sweep text animation like this. Let's get started. Select Video Editing. First, we set up the settings for the video. Here, we'll proceed with the resolution X1920, Y1080. It's Full HD size. The frame rate is 59.94 this time. Set the frame start to 0. Now, let's create text. Press Shift A and choose text. Place at 0 seconds on the timeline. Set up the text. Here, we type light sweep. Adjust the size, making it slightly larger. Change the font. Set the color. Now, the text is created. Next, we create a background. Press Shift A and choose color. Place it under the text. Set the color. This time in navy blue. Extend the display time. The layout is created. Next, we'll set up animation for the text. Move forward a bit in time and select the text. Set the keyframe for transform scale. Drag vertically to select X and Y, and drag horizontally to move X and Y together. Then, set the keyframe for scale. Enable Auto Keyframe. And at 0 seconds, set the scale to 0. This creates an animation that appears with the zoom. Move forward in time a bit and make it slightly larger. So, it appears and then continues to zoom in slowly. Switch to the top sheet. Adjust the keyframes. The first keyframe, right-click, easing mode. Choose Ease Out. The second keyframe, right-click, easing mode. Choose Ease In. Change the interval between keyframes to adjust the speed. Like this. The text animation is created. Return to the video sequencer. Next, we'll create the light sweep movement. Duplicate the text with Shift D. Stack the duplicate text above. Set the color to white. All RGB to 1. Next, duplicate the background with Shift D and place it above. Change the color to white. Name it Matte. Change the scale to create the shape of the streak. Make X smaller to thin it out. Also, add angle by rotate. Move the position to the left and set a keyframe. Then, move forward in time and move to the right. that creates a movement like a streak. Adjust the timing. Switch to the top sheet and adjust the interval between keyframes. Return to the video sequencer. Select the text and choose Mask from the Add Strip modifier. Then set the mask to matte. Hiding the matte makes only the overlap parts of the text and matte visible, creating the light sweep effect. Changing scale of the matte allows you to change the thickness of the streak. Changing color of the text change the color of the light streak. This is how we can create a light sweep. Switch to the top sheet. Adjust the sweep speed. Select the sweep keyframes. Right-click, Interpolation mode, choose Linear. The light sweeps at a constant speed. Return to the video sequencer. Now it's complete. Let's export the video. This time we'll export 200 frames. Extend the length. Set export location. File format. Container. Video codec. Output quality. Let's export it. Render and choose Render Animation. It's done. This way, we can easily create light sweep text animation in Blender. That's all for this time. See you soon!